Okay.
Yes. Now four students are there. Where the rest of them? Yes,
We
ask them.
thought that
Yes, why don't you
class.
ask them to join at least up to 1:30? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can I continue reading, sir?
Yes. Continue, ma.
There was a hurry in the streets of people speeding to shelter before the
So what
storm
is
broke.
taking effect?
The wonderful corner for echoes resounded with footsteps. Though no one was there. Sometimes I have sat there like
Hmm.
Lucy until I have fancied, but it makes me shudder tonight when all is so black and solemn. What you have fastened, said
Fancied.
Darwin.
Hmm.
Fancied, they asked Danny. It
Sir,
it will
what is
seem
taking?
nothing to you, but
Page number 31.
Okay, sir.
I have sometimes made the echoes out to be the echoes of all the footsteps
Hmm.
that are coming by and by into our lives. There is a great crowd coming one day. If that be so, struck in Carton moodily. Then the storm broke ferociously, furiously, and it was late indeed before the visitors could leave. Good night, Mr. Carton, said Mr. Lorry, when at, la- when at last they were outside. Good night, Mr. Danny. Shall we ever see such a night again together? Perhaps, see the great crowd of people with their rush and roar bearing down upon them too.
Hmm. Them too. Very good. Yes. Listen, children, this is very important. Okay. So, Dr. Maneth welcomed him and Lucy also greeted him. Okay. Then followed by Darni asked Dr. Maneth about the tower. So here the tower means not the tower as we think the cell tower and all. It's the tower means here the prison. Okay. Darni asked Dr. Maneth about the prison or those days what he have done in the prison. Okay, which was once a royal place, now it is used as a prison. Okay, this tower once it was a royal place, but whereas now they are using it for imprisonment. Clear, they are using it as they are using it as a cell, but that is why even the small pettiest matters also they take it into very serious, and then they are killing the even the innocent people also. Okay, now Darni was kept in an old cell, and it was used by an old man who curved three letters. What are those three letters? D-I-G. Together we form a word that is dig. Okay, in it they found ashes of paper and of a small leather bag. As it was raining, Darnay left the place. Yes, children. Okay. So when the person has when Darnay was in the prison, he read those letters and he digged some part of the prison, and then he found a leather bag there. Okay, but actually, who are those people? Those use a leather bag? Cobblers. Understood? And then now we will come to know that he has done the profession as a cobbler. Yeah, a person one who mends the shoe. So that's what indirectly Darnay say Darnay reveals that he has done a profession which is called as a cobbler. Understood? Stitching shoes. And then afterwards, as it was raining, Darnay went away. But many of the people were outside because it was about to start to rain. There are some sounds are coming, are echoing some sounds. Okay. At the time, Darnay asked Meneth about what she fancied, what you are dreaming about. Okay. Darnay asked Miss Manet. Okay, what are you dreaming about, or what are you thinking about? Now, Miss Manet says that echoes would come into their lives. So here the echoes means not a simple sounds. Maybe some other problems definitely will be coming to. Okay, will be coming in our lives through what? It can be through cotton, or it can be by the government. Okay, some problems will be coming. Okay, so here, echoes means the court scene, children. Yes. Here the echoes means the court scene. Next. Okay, children. Chapter 4 we will be discussing tomorrow. And
Okay, sir.
yes.
Only 2 moments are there, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Now, so what did you understand through this chapter 3? Recap. Yes. Tell me. Mr. Laurie has come to the house of. Listen here, all of you. Mr. Laurie has come to the house of Miss Pross. Who is there in the Miss Pross house? Come on. Who is there in the Miss Pross house? Dr. Manette and as well as Lucy. And Lucy was grown up by whom? She was brought up by Miss Pross. At least
Miss
for,
Pro.
yes, at least for 18 years she was brought up. Then followed by, what did you understand? You have to tell me.
Sir, which page, sir?
No, we are summarizing the chapter 3. Whatever you understood, you have to tell me.
Okay.
Yeah. What have you understood? Yes. What Miss Pross says? Okay, there should not be anybody coming and meeting Miss Lucy. Okay, because dozens and dozens of people are coming to meet Lucy. But when Darnie comes to the house of Miss Pross, nobody said anything. Clear? Yes. And what else? And Miss Pross talks about her brother who cheated her. Okay. Next. Tell me, whatever you have listened. So Mr. Laurie asked Mr. Pross about two things. What are those two things? One is about Dr.
Ashes
Manett's.
of-
Yes. Tell me. Akshara,
Yes, sir.
what are the two things? Mr. Laurie asked Miss Pross, what are the two things about
Dr. Manette.
Dr. Manett's shoe business? And the second
Uh,
one, his imprisonment for 18 years. Why people? Okay, why people have? Why Dr. Manette and Miss Pross kept it as a secret? That's what he wanted to know. Okay.
No.
Yes. And afterwards, what do you understood?
Sir, what does soulman mean, sir?
Yes, ma.
What does soulman mean?
Soulman.
Yes,
Solemn.
sir.
Solemn means
Solemn.
great.
Okay.
Yeah, meanings are given at the back. Yes. And afterwards we see, okay, Darnie has come to the house of Miss Pross. Okay. Now, even Dr. Manette and Lucy Manette, they have welcomed him with happiness, because those two people already they are loving with each other. That is why, okay, Dr. Manette welcomed him. At the time, Darnie says about two important things. What are those? About a tower. Yes.
About the tower and the
Uh,
little angry prisoner.
yes, about the imprisonment or maybe as the prisoner. In the same room, there used to be an old man. The old man is none other than his uncle only. Who is the uncle? Dr. Manette only.
Dr. Manette.
Yeah. Okay. So Darnie was talking about. See, Darnie was talking about a tower. Tower is nothing but okay the cell where.
Sir, our time is completed.
Don't worry. Only for 3 minutes. It's 1:26. No. At least 3 minutes we'll discuss. Afterwards, what you understood, I will be asking you. You have to tell me. Then afterwards, what did you understand?
Uh,
Yes,
Sir?
yes. In the prison, some letters are written. What are those letters?
DIG, dig.
Yes, D-I-G, dig. So Darny has digged that. He has dug. What is there inside of it?
Then ashes of paper.
Ah,
They found ashes of paper and a small leather bag.
yes, small leather bag. So small leather bag usually who carries? Usually carried by cobblers. Okay, with this
Cobblers.
we'll come to know that Dr. Maneth has done the profession as a same like the cobbler. Okay, stitching of shoes, mending of shoes, that sort of work
Yes.
he has done. Okay. Okay, next. So as it was raining, Darny has gone away, and afterwards, okay, Lucy and Darny they met together, and they heard in between.
That Lucy's father
Yes.
is ill.
Hmm. And
They heard
afterwards,
that Lucy's father is ill.
yeah. Then,
Then doctor.
hmm. What sort of echoes? Echoes means what is the meaning here? Not only the sound, and also echoes means
Sounds.
some people will be walking into their life. So which means it represents the court scene. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, underline that sentence which is given in the page number 31. With that, we will be concluding. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it will seem nothing to you, but I have sometimes made the echoes out to be the echoes of all the footsteps that are coming by and by into our lives. Okay, underline that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we'll end up here, ma. Okay,
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
bye, ma.